Hello everyone. Today I will guide you how to download and set up the Maegham Dev Kit application. This is the Maegham Dev Kit website. This is an open source software. We are built specially for IBM Sterling OMS developers and support team. IBM Sterling OMS developers and support team will open a multiple tool to work on their tasks, and it is more difficulty to track their tickets. To resolve this problem, we bring up the Maegham Dev Kit tool, which consolidate a multiple tool into a single application. I will download this application. Once you read the terms and condition, you can click OK button. And if you want to get notification from Maegham Dev Kit, you can click subscribe to log into your Google account. If there is any update is happened by the Maegham Dev Kit teams. If you don't want to get notification, you don't want to log into that Gmail account. Once Maegham Dev Kit jar file is downloaded successfully, create a folder Maegham Dev Kit and copy the jar file into this folder. Double click the jar file to launch the application. Once application is launched successfully, Maegham Dev Kit folder will be created automatically. To view this folder, you can select the view and show hidden items. So at the time this folder will be shown, we are insisting users not to delete this folder. These folders which will have all that configuration and what are the information you have stored in that application, this information will be stored in the Maegham Dev Kit folder. Whatever you are storing in this application, this will be stored in your local system. There is no web service call will be happened. Ensure that your data are more secure and more privacy. And once you have launched the application, you can configure the OMS environment configuration, database configuration. If you have any questions or need support, please contact Maegham support team. Thank you.